bus audio systems generally receive positive feedback. Users praise their flexibility because they allow for easy routing and configuration of audio signals. They also appreciate the scalability as it can handle large audio setups with multiple sources and outputs. Reliability is another key benefit, with the bus systems known for being stable and robust. Finally, sound quality is often cited as a positive, with the bus systems delivering high-quality audio reproduction. However, there are some potential drawbacks to consider. Firstly, complexity. Bus systems can be more complex to set up and manage than other systems. Secondly, cost. Bus equipment can be expensive, especially for larger setups. Thirdly, limited bandwidth. Traditional bus systems use copper cables, which can have bandwidth limitations. When installing in a bus system, it's important to pay attention to several factors. Firstly, cable quality. Use high-quality shielded cables to minimize noise and crosstalk. Secondly, terminations. Ensure all cables are properly terminated to prevent signal loss. Thirdly, power supply. Provide a stable and reliable power supply for the bus equipment. Fourthly, grounding. Establish a proper grounding system to reduce interference. Here are some pointers for installation. Firstly, plan carefully. Design the system thoroughly before installation to avoid costly mistakes. Secondly, use a patch panel. A patch panel allows for easy routing and reconfiguration of audio signals. Thirdly, label everything. Clearly label all cables and connections for easier maintenance. Fourthly, test thoroughly. Test the system thoroughly before putting it into operation to ensure proper functionality. Fifthly, allow for future expansion. Design the system with future expansion in mind, considering the number of sources and outputs you may need in the future. Explore newer technologies like Dante or AES67 to address bandwidth limitations and improve flexibility.